Yes.
No.
No, that's
Read.
live. That's live for the art.
Okay, are we live from the
Yes,
phone
yes,
also?
yes,
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you see.
What is Vinod? What is up with this Vinod? Happy Vinod Day.
Vinod.
Yeah, there's something trending Vinod. You have no idea?
So anyways, do we talk to each other or to them? I'm not even understand, man.
Sai Prakash will tell. Anything?
For the movie about the.
So Apsara, what do you feel? How thrilled are you with Thriller?
I am. So I feel like Apsara, and I'm super thrilled with Thriller, and of course I cannot wait for the release. And I've been getting so much love for my pictures. Of course, that is from your view, and people have loved it. So
It's not my view. I only capture what is there in front of the camera. So
Yeah,
I don't
but-
create something.
But I have done
So
hundreds of
actually,
photo shoot before. But that photo shoot, I've got so much attention, so I can't wait for people to.
But that's like see, my point. You're like a diamond. Okay, so if you are in the middle of the stones, it's my job to take the diamond out, recognize it. But I can't create the diamond. I only can put it in its right place, which I think for the moment is Thriller, and probably many more to come.
So exactly my point. So I want everyone to see my acting from your, your direction, and that's the most exciting part for me because, getting so much attention just with the photo shoot, and then I want to see the reactions of people of how Thriller goes, and I think I'm very confident on it.
Yeah, so you and I am too.
Yes.
Like when they asked me this question, how's the performance in Thriller? I said, literally every part of Apsara performed. That's literally.
Thank
Well,
you.
you know what I feel? People have this thing that a face is the only thing of a human body, just because of the eyes and there's an expression. I believe that every part of your body is your own, and you should not discriminate between the parts, is what my belief is.
Absolutely don't.
You have to take a pride in everything, and from the context of for example, the Thriller, when people said, I've never seen so many angles showing a woman's body. So, but the point is because you've got such a fantastic body. And the reason the camera is so inspired to capture you in various angles and compositions is thanks to your body.
Thank you.
Yes.
I feel overwhelmed right now. Coming from you is feels so. I actually feel extra beautiful just for a moment.
So are there any interesting questions? I don't know, man.
Yeah. If there are any interesting questions, you
Please
just
ask if
tell
there
us,
is
and we
questions
will
and-
love to
yeah.
answer.
So people are asking how was the experience of yours with RGV, sir?
They're asking you, what was your experience with me?
So my experience was amazing, and also as an actor, and also because I'm so interested into direction. So I was always keen to know that what is he thinking, and what flow is he maintaining, because I was always very interested, because I got an opportunity, so I wanted to focus into everything that he's doing. And so I loved working with him, and I actually feel beautiful for real in my life. I never felt this beautiful, and now I do feel beautiful, and which is why I would like to thank you, because the kind of respect and confidence that he has put in me, and the way he respects women's beauty is everything, and you actually.
And she's a liar, I'll tell you the truth. The actual truth is, she told me the first time she came to meet me, she came with the pepper spray. Yeah. See, now she's hiding it behind my back. But
Why do you have to say
yes.
this?
But that's the truth.
But I
Because she heard, I don't know, about my reputation, that I'm a ladies' man, and
No, about
I'm
everyone.
a guy who kind of jumps onto women the moment I see them. This is what she heard apparently. and she came, believe it or not, armed with a pepper spray. And she was kind of taken aback that I didn't do anything what she heard, and I spoke her with so much of respect and dignity, and only being so professional about the film or the role what we discussed about. But Apsara, I really want to know, would you have actually hit me with the pepper spray?
Yeah, if anybody, even any person, even if God comes and does something with me which affects me, I would take the pepper spray on his eyes straight away.
But my question is, till today.
Why did you have to tell this?
But that's true. I'm a guy who speaks the truth all the time. Okay. Now my point is, I've never heard of a case where a girl actually used pepper spray. In fact, the only time I heard the word pepper spray being used is when Dagadapadi Rajgopal did it in the parliament. Except for that, I don't remember if ever I heard anyone using pepper spray, a woman or a man especially.
So I'll tell you what I thought, because.
So do you think it is just like a fantasy you carry pepper spray?
No. No.
Yeah.
No. So my concept was because you're so famous and all these big directors are bad. I thought you also must be like that. So that's why I carried it in my pocket. So I didn't know you. I met you for the first time, but you just came and you told me the script, and I'm asking you, sir, am I doing the film? And you're like, obviously, why will I narrate you the story? And then you sent me back. So
that guy saying, Azim sir, becoming so hot after meeting Apsara. Hey sir,
wow.
that rubs off because Apsara is so beautiful. Anybody who's in her vicinity, well, some of her glow rubs off on the others. Yeah.
But I told you, you've lost weight and you're getting this proper jawline, and he's working out in this, he does all heavy workouts which, your biceps and triceps are popping out in your recent
Yeah, inspired from the way you work out, obviously.
I also have a little